Here is an interesting problem, and maybe this will help you. And I'm not sure if it's going to work, so I'm going to do it live. This is not prepared. So it's a real life job, not a setup. We have an SSD here. But it's not being recognized, and we need the data of it. So this is the Toshiba that I'm working on. Plug it in the computer, and this is what happens. Of course, you don't want to format. I tried different USB adapters, thinking they may be at fault. Sometimes it can be. Sometimes you can try it on a Mac, a different computer, which may help. So what I'm going to do now is, you may not have access to a Mac to try. I mean, you can always try that. If it works, great. If not, we're going to try Ubuntu. Ubuntu is another Linux operating system. And okay, I've got the one I made earlier. You can download a variation from their website, make it bootable USB, compatible with your system. Here we go. Let's go. Now we'll need a hub because there's only 2 USB ports on this. So this is Ubuntu 20. Hopefully it will boot. Okay. We'll do a live boot. I'll get a USB hub. With the Linux USB, you cannot take out the USB while it's in operation. So okay, I'll plug in the USB shortly. We've just got it ready. Just like that. Here, but we haven't set it up yet. It's not fully plugged in. I want to get Linux up and running, and then we'll plug it in, have a look under their disk utility program, and see if we can mount it. If we can, great, we'll dump all the data out. Okay, here we go. Now, we're gonna plug in the drive. Before that, I want to also check my internal drive, see if it's mounted. Yeah, great. Yeah, I can make a new folder. We'll call it SSD. Okay, now let's plug in our drive. Cross fingers. That's bad, okay. Now we can run data recovery on that drive. Oh. Okay, I just have to wait. Okay, let's try another method. Okay, system is now off. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring in another system. I'll be right back. Hello. Alright, now we have our data recovery computer. The ProBook, Dutch version of Windows. Okay. We're going to use Disk Genius. Okay, here we go. We're going to plug in the SSD. Okay. Okay. There we go. See that? We can see all the files. I'll leave it here. So this is what it is. You copy all, you can copy all these files. Hopefully this will help you. See you in the next one.